What is up, guys? Schmittengar, and I am running birds today, but it is a special birds deck because it has this card. I'm not going to try to pronounce that, and the sun, the beautiful sun. Some bird support, permanent power, round power, bird of paradise comboed with birds of paradise, greater bird of paradise. I'm stupid. Dracula parrot, of course. That card is amazing. And flamingos, because we are also running this. And Griffin, of course. Alrighty. Nice, real person. I also just built this, so I don't know about energy yet, but it seems like it'll be fine. I'll probably have too much by the end. It's still a pretty good start. I'm not too worried. That's good. Get that out as early as possible and hopefully have a full hand of birds. Some good old birds. But also the sun. I'm gonna play that there. Kind of hang out these birds over here. I'm still debating on whether or not I want to use flamingos as a battery card or not, because it gets a lot of permanent power anyway, so I suppose it depends on how these rounds go. Oh, that's not good timing on the Bay Owl. My dog is licking the couch. It's a good hand for Bald Eagle. Ooh. Nice. Might just use flamingos as a battery card then. Well, I don't know. He might throw out Planet X Terminator and destroy me right here. Nah. Okay. Send me a thanks. That Pterodastro is one of my, I think I'm saying that right, but that's one of my favorite cards. There's just something about flamingos. Just buffing up flamingos as much as I can just feels really nice. It's before round 4? Yeah. I don't know what to do with this. Alright, I think I drop Griffin here with Xihe or something. And then the Greater Bird of Paradise. And then I'll drop the Flamingos next round, so I can get it back, and it'll keep a lot of permanent power. It's been hit by Greater Bird of Paradise twice, I think, and the other card, the Paleo card, twice, and it is about to be hit by this twice. So that's pretty good. I'll go ahead and play the Oriental Bay Owl as well. Draw into that later. Oh, that hurts. At least it didn't hit flamingos. That would have been tragic. But that's actually good for me, because that means he draws his Shinigami again, unless he... Never mind, he's going to play the Lovers. He's going to play a Lovers combo. Am I gonna just lose? This is tragic. Snowflake. It's okay. Stop making my couch, please. I have survived one more round. I don't know why I threw out the Raven there. I guess I just wanted all the power, but... oh well. Here we go. Time to face a tragic defeat. Because I'm only putting out 85 power this turn. Oh lord. I think that's it for me. Maybe not. Flamingos! Will you be my saving grace? Oh! Oh. Good job, flamingos. Your backward knees, pink, weird bird thing. I really thought I was gonna lose that. I don't know how I feel about this deck. Oh lord. You can keep that nose away from me, dog. Don't sneeze on me. I'm probably going to make a separate video with a different birds deck instead of running this deck twice. Because I normally don't run this card comboed with the sun. Although it did make my energy very good. But I probably still won't need it. But now I can't remember. I'm pretty sure it's a great dying deck. Anyway, well, that'll probably come tomorrow. Maybe larger energy week. Yeah, that sounds good. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed. If you didn't, I forgive you. Goodbye.